What? What? What is it?
Fireworks.
Jeez, what the heck? Cool.
Awesome, right?
Don't knock that over.
Yeah.
Wow. That's enormous. $500. I don't have that kind of money on me.
It's quite a bit. And Jacob, I thought this one was big.
Yeah,
You thought that one was big, and then you looked
that's
at that one.
enormous. $500.
Wow.
It's a nice
There's another pretty big one. Jacob,
What?
another one over here. Pretty cool.
What? Oh yeah, that's another nice big one. $200.
I don't know if the app is on your phone, but if you can scan that, you can bring it up onto any app.
Oh, cool. That's cool. Happy string. Cool. I don't want to buy some of these.
I have absolutely no idea what these does.
Oh, those are smoke bombs.
Yeah, once I got one of these, and I pulled it, and I threw it, and it smoked for hours and hours and hours.
Oh. Oh, these are the spinning ones. What? These are cool. Oh, turtle ones.
Oh, tanks.
I like the novelty items.
I like
They're cool.
tanks. Look, tanks.
That one's broken.
Tanks.
Candle. Oh, these are cool. Remember, these are the
I
ones
love
that you.
That cascading waterfall is so worth it. It's one of my favorites.
Big old sparklers. Lots of sparklers. What? What are the? What do they do?
I have absolutely no idea.
What does it say on the package? That's a killer bee.
It shoots little bee
It
things.
shoots bees.
What?
If we all combine our money and buy this, that's just ridiculous.
That would be crazy.
Just set all of these off at once.
Well, you'd have to buy a bunch of views. Like, look at all this stuff.
Like,
I have zero idea what this is.
I don't even know what this stuff is.
Hey,
Oh,
Those are big ones. Those are giant ones.
like those are fireworks.
Yeah, those are giant ones.
Oh, optical illusion. This is
I have no idea what this is.
It's a cake of some kind.
This is way better than I thought.
It does
I have no idea
colored balls, silver flowers, and crackles. What? Yeah, I already got that one. That's a big.
Fuck, I was raging zombies.
It's a big one.
Yeah. But then if you think that one's too small, this one. And if you think that one's too small, this one. And if you think that one's too small, this one. And
Yeah.
they probably don't go any higher.
It's probably the biggest fireworks assortment I've ever seen.
Oh, big diamonds. Big diamonds. What the heck are these?
It's a cake.
Whoa. Can I eat it?
You don't eat fireworks.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Oh. Purple rings.
Oh, these ones are fun. These ones are fun. These are. Don't drop them.
That wasn't me.
Okay then.
But Dad, this is awesome.
Yes, it is.
We should buy that.
No, you should buy this.
Uh,
No, not that. No, yeah, we're buying this. No, not that one.
oh, here's another one. The little kitty firework.
What are these?
Oh, then. There you go. TNT firework.